Hi, Betsy Watson here to talk about promoting brain health with the Senior Odyssey program. It's a brain gym for adults, an intellectual challenge within a social context, developed by the Adult Learning Laboratory of the Beckman Institute at the University of Illinois. It's a community-based research project for adults aged 60 and up, promoting cognitive health and well-being through mindful participation in creative problem-solving activities. The program was funded by the National Institute on Aging. Seniors meet in small groups for 14 to 16 weeks and collaborate on assigned challenges. Each meeting will have one or more short-term problems to prompt quick thinking and novel responses. An example is to quickly name new uses for a men's size 13 shoe. Creative answers are encouraged, so smashing a bug is a lower rated response than serving soup. They also collaborate on a long-term challenge, an ill-defined problem, so-called because there is no single correct answer. The problems are designed to have many successful solutions suitable for every level. Members innovate and incorporate artistic elements into their solutions. They might write an original music score to play on a new instrument, or to perform tasks using a chain reaction of snapping mousetraps. The solutions are presented in an 8-minute skit format, and some of the teams go on to participate in regional and national competitions. How does it work? Well, the meetings promote engagement within a social context, and cooperation is rewarded by success in the short-term problems and in the social interaction of the team members. The key features amplify each other to strengthen the engagement, collaboration, and play. They promote adherence to the program, supporting continued engagement. Here we see the key feature, team members working together in the social pathway of engagement that lead to the study results of small but reliable effects on processing speed, inductive reasoning, and divergent thinking. In the effects of an engaged lifestyle on cognitive vitality, a field study by Stein-Morrow et al., we learned that the key mechanism of engagement hypothesis that promotes mental flexibility is substantive complexity in a setting to solve ill-defined problems. According to Stein-Morrow, this complexity requires mental flexibility, using abilities from different cognitive domains, including a personal investment in time and energy to achieve those goals. Such engagement becomes a part of daily life, further supporting skills in those cognitive domains. The second way Senior Odyssey helps is through variety. The substantive complexity cross-trains the neural pathways, and the program is designed with built-in variety on the type of answer that is given, the subjects that are covered, and the modes of expression that are rewarded, such as building, music, and designs. Here we see the key feature is substantive complexity working via various neural pathways to the cognitive effect of reduced impairment. The results showed greater participation in total variety of activities remains significantly associated with reduced risk of impairment for cognitive outcomes, specifically reduced risk of impairment by 9% on Hopkins Verbal Learning Test immediate recall and 8% on delayed recall, and by 11% on the MMSE. In lifestyle activities and memory, variety may be the spice of life. The Women's Health and Aging Study 2 by Carlson, Parisi et al. We learned the hypothesized effect is expanding one's range of interactions with a greater number and types of environments increases the level of environmental complexity. Members use memory and organizational skills to coordinate these activities, and they continue to exercise their abilities in the program. Senior Odyssey activities combine physical, cognitive, and social activity, the combined benefits of which are being increasingly valued, leading to the conclusion that quote, the whole activity set as measured by variety may be greater than the sum of its parts, end quote. That is Carlson, Parisi et al. Senior Odyssey works via multiple pathways. Through the social pathways of engagement, the participants were engaged in complex intellectual activities over time via social connection, adhering to the program because of the fun, creative, and social rewards. And the second way is through the neural and psychological pathways stimulated by variety. They stimulated multiple neural connections, creating a cross-training effect across domains such as reasoning, working memory, organization, in an enriched environment supportive of neurogenesis. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this.